What's up, guys? So I bought a fishing magnet for the first time, and I came out to my local spillway with my buddy Bob, who is untangling my giant mess of magnet rope. But we're gonna see what we can find out here. Hopefully something cool, hopefully clean up a little bit. Just walking around doing some fishing earlier, we've seen a bunch of metal just laying on the ground, so we'll probably get into something. So let's go magnet fishing. All right, first we got Bob over here standing on a stick that we have the rope tied to. We'll see how that works.
The heck,
So it looks like a railroad spike and an old nail. I think that's what that is.
A staple?
No, that's like a swivel snap.
Oh, it is. It almost sounds like a staple for, like, you know, like the leader bags and stuff.
Right.
What would you get?
Some Sawzall blades. Literally 2 of them, or it's the same one.
There we go. It was going good until the very end.
Pull her in, dude.
Ooh, there's something right there.
Yeah?
Oh yeah, it's coming in. I can feel it. It's whatever. It's got a bunch of fishing line on it.
Does it?
Yeah, because I can feel the fishing line like stretching. Oh yeah, there's something on it. Big, like really big. Oh, there's a bunch of fishing string.
Oh, fishing string got caught on the. Jeez.
Oh, there's a treble hook there. Careful, careful. Right by your finger. I think there's a treble hook right there, I think. Oh, look. There's a crankbait.
Is there?
Yeah. And yourself a nice shiny gold crankbait. Maybe it's gold, I can't tell. Down with that. Oh.
A spark plug.
Really?
Yeah. And a spinnerbait thing.
Oh yeah.
I don't know what that is.
Just chunk of rust.
It's a champion spark plug, man. I don't think you're getting anything out of there. All right, we moved up a little ways. Gonna try and see if we can find anything else that's settled. A pile of lures. Look at all those. Well, so this is our finds today. We got a Sawzall blade, a little snap swivel piece, a spark plug, a bunch of lures. I found that bobber on the ground, and then that little vape right there. A nail, and then I don't know if that's like a, I don't know what that big thing is. But pretty cool for magnet fishing for my first time. I'll probably come out and do this every time that I'm not catching fish, because that's what was happening earlier. So if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. I got a bunch of content coming out, and thanks for watching. Tight lines.